Hello, let's take a look at my garage after I moved all the clutter out of it and into my shed. So this is the right side of my car. This is the left side of my car. I can actually walk by now. So I'm gonna walk by freely with a lot of room. I even emptied out the shelves. There's a lot of room. So now this is the other side. And that is my garage without any clutter. Now let's take a look at my shed. I had enough room that I always like to look at my backyard. It's very peaceful. It's nice weather. So this is the shed. A lot of room around it. Slide the door. And then this is the inside. I could still rearrange a lot of things and get a lot more room. I'm almost out of battery, so I had to pause and close that window. So here's everything. I can still put a lot more things in the shed if I need to. It's organized well enough. So might as well just turn around and see the outside and just do a quick last walk around. Hear the wind chimes. The cat plays in that house. I put my firewood and things under there. And this is the back. And that's it. Thank you for watching.